For decades, the Dodge Charger was known for one thing: big engines, loud exhausts, and raw American V8 power. But now everything has changed because Dodge just removed the legendary HEMI V8 and replaced it with a twin-turbo inline-six. Muscle car fans are furious, the internet is divided, and honestly, this might be the boldest move Dodge has ever made. Deep in the freezing mountains of Vermont, Dodge invited creators and journalists to experience something completely new. Not just another redesign, but the future of the American muscle car itself. And the second this Charger appeared through the snow, everyone stopped and stared. At first glance, it still looks exactly like a Dodge Charger should. Wide stance, long aggressive body, sharp lighting, and that classic muscle car silhouette. Dodge clearly wanted this car to keep its identity alive. The front end especially feels inspired by classic Chargers from the past, but now everything looks sharper, more modern, and more aggressive than ever before. And then you notice the words written across the hood: SIXPACK. That tiny badge tells you everything because underneath this Charger, there's no HEMI V8 anymore. Instead, Dodge built a brand new twin-turbo inline-six engine, and honestly, that decision shocked the entire muscle car community. Some fans absolutely hate it, while others think this might actually save muscle cars. But here's the crazy part. Even without the V8, this thing still sounds aggressive. The moment the engine starts, you can still hear that classic Dodge attitude. And the numbers are no joke either. 550 horsepower. 0 to 60 in just 3.9 seconds, which makes this new Charger brutally quick. But Dodge didn't stop there. This Charger now comes standard with all-wheel drive, which means for the first time, a modern muscle car can actually dominate in winter conditions. And somehow, Dodge still made sure this thing feels completely insane because with one setting, it transforms into a full rear-wheel drive monster. That's exactly why Dodge brought the Charger here. Team O'Neill Rally School, to prove this massive muscle car could survive snow, ice, and complete chaos. And honestly, watching this giant car slide sideways across frozen roads feels completely unreal. At moments, it almost looks impossible to control, but somehow, the Charger keeps finding grip again. Dodge says this platform now has near-perfect weight distribution, and honestly, you can actually feel it working. Inside, this feels more futuristic than any Charger before it. Dual screens, carbon fiber Alcantara seats, and ambient lighting everywhere. This isn't old-school muscle anymore. And then Dodge revealed something even crazier: the Daytona version. 670 horsepower. 0 to 60 in just 3.3 seconds. That's no longer muscle car territory, that's supercar territory. So maybe this isn't the end of muscle cars after all. Maybe this is simply the beginning of a completely new era. But now the real question is, did Dodge destroy the Charger legacy forever, or reinvent American muscle for the future? This is Auto Truth, and I'll see you in the next one.